Hi class, I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to do the Sunday check-in and let you know what's coming next. I'm looking forward to reading all the posts where you're taking the opposing viewpoint and curious to see how you argue what you don't believe in. That's always an interesting challenge. So here we are next week, starting when you wake up tomorrow morning, or if you stay up till midnight, you'll see. We're going to talk about dysfunctions, and I put it in quotations because sometimes there are things that are, actual things that inhibit sexual performance or sexual life, but some of it is just being different. And so I think a lot of times we police sexuality in this culture, and I'm pretty sure you've probably experienced reading this stuff and thinking about it and wondering why, we kind of create a narrow, in some terms, vanilla way of having sex. And so it's interesting to kind of think about that in terms of what we consider dysfunctional, but also, curiously, it's interesting to learn about the paraphilias. Like, what is it that turns some people on that you might not have known? So that's one of the things that you're going to speak to in your post. And then after that post, we just have one more. And so we're really close to the end. So again, congratulations on all your hard work. And I look forward to wrapping up a semester with you. So take care, and I'll see you in the forum.